Hey everyone, welcome to Run Deals, where we have the deals. If you're looking for a deal, you came to the right place. Let's check them out. I have some awesome things that I want to show you, but first go ahead and download the Run Deals app. Do it right now. All right, everyone, check out this cool party light speaker. We're going to go inside and catch it a little bit deeper. All right, we're going to go ahead right inside. Cool little box right here. The cord, auxiliary cord and charger. Thank you for that. I love that it's provided. Look at this cool speaker. I love in the bright red color. It also comes in black, blue, aqua. Very colorful, very eventful. I'm liking it so far. Let's see what else it does. All right, so very easy to use. All you need to do is press the on button right here for at least 2 or more seconds. As you see, it would indicate that it's on. Simple as that. As you see it's already glowing. It's going to turn different colors. Cool beans. I'm also going to dim the light some so you can see what it would look like in the dark. I'm loving it so far. All right, as you can see, it's giving itself a little glow. It's not all the way dark, but you're getting it a view of what it would look like. Changing different colors. This is waterproof. I love that it has this little handle on it. So I'll just have to put this handle on my arm to keep it safe. Turn off, turn on. Compatible with iPhone and Android. I mean, why wouldn't you do it? So you're telling me that you haven't been on Run Deals yet? Even though you can get the free app from the Play Store and the Apple Store? That doesn't make any sense. Make sure you download that app as soon as possible. Why wouldn't you do it?